I got lot of queries related to MCQs, whether how to solve it, how to do it fast, what are the tips and tricks we can use when we do MCQs, and how to manage your time, whether we should attempt all the questions or leave some. Hello everyone, this is Pranka Chen. Welcome back to my channel, The Live Picker. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button to get notified on my every upload. Today I made this video for all the CA students who are going to give their exam soon. It's all about multiple choice questions where you get 4 options and out of that you need to choose one. So multiple choice questions comes in all the levels of CA exam, be it CA Foundation, Inter or Final. So in this video I've shared all the tips and tricks which you can use to solve MCQs in a better and efficient way. So let's get started. So in case of multiple choice questions for CA exams, you get 4 options. From that you need to select one. In CA Foundation, there is a negative marking for every wrong answer, which is 0.25. But there is no negative marking for Inter and Final. They get around 30 marks question. I would strongly suggest Inter and Final students to attempt MCQ first in around 30 to 35 minutes, so that they complete MCQ calmly and peacefully, and they don't hurry at the end. Then go for solving subjective questions. But for MCQ, there is a chance that you can score full marks, so I would suggest you to do it very peacefully and attempt all the questions because there is no negative marking. But in the case of Foundation, there is a negative marking, so if you are very sure about it, then attempt it, and if you can eliminate at least 2 options, then attempt it. Otherwise, don't attempt it. If you have no idea, just skip it. Mark OMR sheets simultaneously so that you don't skip it or you don't leave it at the end. Check the question number properly beech mein, so that don't miss out on any question or don't mark wrong answer for the wrong question. So these are some common tips which I would like to share. For MCQs, don't forget to solve ICI material, scanner, mock test paper. Very, very, very important. You will get common questions from these 3, and just read all the chapters thoroughly. You will get an idea of solving MCQs. Second, please read the questions properly. Try to understand the provisions, the rules, the regulations, because ICI won't give you direct questions. There are some tricks which are hidden in the question. You need to think out of the box. आप अगर सोचोगे कि थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट होगा, कुछ अलग ही तरीके से सॉल्व होगा, it will be in a different way. Might be that question is very simple, but you are making it complicated. So you need to be very, very smart when you solve the questions. First think whether the provisions will be applicable or not, whether the rules will be applicable or not. Then start solving it. Just don't blindly, see the question and start solving. So one of the most important trick is, please read the last line of the question and all the 4 options. You need to know what is being asked in the question, then only start reading the entire question so that you can solve it easily. You are already aware that what is being asked in the question. The next step is, based on marks, judge the time needed to solve the question. If the marks is 2, there has to be some trick or some idea to solve that question. So please think before answering or finalizing the answer. Your concepts needs to be very, very clear. Thorough reading is needed to solve all the questions properly. Don't worry about it. If you read it properly, you will be able to remember it vaguely. One more important trick is, try to eliminate options. You will be given 4 options. Try to eliminate the wrong answers, then you will arrive with the right answer. If you are confused, if you apply elimination method, you will be able to solve the questions very, very easily. Do not attempt CA Foundation question if you are not at all sure. एकदम भी नहीं पता, कोई आइडिया नहीं है, don't have any idea, don't attempt it. If you can eliminate at least 2 answers, then there is a probability of 50% that you will be able to answer it correctly. But if you don't have any idea, just skip it. The next step is ICI will always try to confuse you as much as possible. They'll try to give explanations, details, justification in the wrong answer. Just don't go blindly. Think about the answer. Be very clear with your concepts. Don't just tick any answer for the sake of answering it. And the most important is practice. The more you'll practice, the more you'll be able to solve all the questions easily, faster and properly. Use tricks to solve maths questions. Use shortcuts to solve maths questions. If you feel the question is very huge, the solution will take much time. If you can back calculation the answer, then do that. Try to eliminate whatever is wrong, whatever you feel is just written for the sake of writing it. Try to be very, very clear, precise and fast when you solve MCQs. Suppose if you solve this question, which of the following is not true about LLP? सबसे पहले देखो कि क्या पूछा है. Not true, which is not correct. जल्दी जल्दी में हम लोग क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं तो we end up taking the wrong answer. So not true मतलब आपको नेगेटिव चीज़ पूछा है. See the answers. Separate legal entity है या नहीं है? It is a feature of LLP. So this is correct, right? So इसको हटा दो, eliminate. Incorporation not mandatory like normal partnership. Is it true or not true? Not true. So this is one option which we can think about. Designated partners, it's true. Hybrid form of business organization, क्योंकि इसमें कंपनी के भी फीचर्स है, LLP के फीचर्स है, इसलिए हाइब्रिड है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. सो बेसिकली इसमें से अपने को एलिमिनेट हमने किया सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी, डेजिग्नेटेड पार्टनर्स, हाइब्रिड फॉर्म ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हुआ? इनकॉर्पोरेशन नॉट मैंडेटरी लाइक नॉर्मल पार्टनरशिप. तो दिस इज जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल. सोच समझ के अच्छे से क्वेश्चन पढ़ के आंसर करना है.
So students, that's all on multiple choice questions. I really hope you find this video helpful and informative. And if you have any doubts, you can message me in my Instagram account. The ID is given in my description box. Please don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel. Thank you for watching.